So before we actually dive in and start adding new assets and viewing them on the map, etc., it's probably a good time to first look at the background data since this is a pretty simple task. So let's go ahead and tap or click on that button. And here you'll see that we've got a listing of different forms that will allow us to view and edit background information. Now, this list may expand over time. There are certainly other types of information that could be presented here, for example, buildings and cost centers and departments and things like that. However, those things are usually not going to be edited by the property individuals. This is stuff that is going to be imported from Workday or recorded by the space team, etc. So for now, we just have these two items, which are clearly things that folks in the property team will need to be adding to. So for example, we have manufacturers here, so we can click on that and we have the option to view or edit. So this is really simple. It is just a big list of all of the different manufacturers that have been added so far. And one of the things that does need to be done here is that there are a lot of items here that are kind of duplicates, and these are carryovers from a previous facility system that was inherited and brought into here. However, if you do need to add additional manufacturers, you can do that by clicking on Create New Company here. So all you need to do is fill in the company code and the caption, and in fact, most of the time, these two items can be the same. Now, there are some other details that could be collected, phone numbers and email addresses, URLs, and things like that for the companies, but in this case, we've left that off. But if those things do need to be recorded, we can add those fields and make sure they're available. So either of these two tasks here can allow us to view the list, asset categories or their manufacturers, create new, and make changes to the existing items. So from any of these forms that we're on, we can always return back to our dashboard by clicking on the little home icon at the top left.